Game launch blocked by the Unity Engine Analytics module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. Before we dive into the Unity Engine Analytics module manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Unity Engine Analytics module, manages the localized collection and upload of gameplay telemetry to Unity's servers. While not critical for gameplay, its absence can cause some games to hang at the splash screen while attempting to initialize the analytics engine, typically reporting a module timeout. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Ash Shell library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Unity Engine Analytics module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Ash Shell library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If you're addressing Unity Engine Analytics module inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Unity Engine Analytics module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.